First, I really would like to thank Director Santiago and the whole NBI troop here. Talagang maganda yung pagkakatrato nila sa anak ko. Tama ka, for the last 2 years, hindi kami nagkita. And hindi ko rin siya mapuntahan dun sa Timor-Leste because my husband was also in and out of the hospital. We were not able to go home to Negros the past 2 years until my husband passed away last December 24. Nagpapasalamat ako sa Diyos na after 2 years, nakita ko na naakap ko na yung anak ko. And yeah, I would also like to thank the people who have been supporting us with their prayers. Thank you.
Bilin niyo na lang po sa kanya, ma'am. Bilin niyo po. Bilin niyo po sa kanya.
Ang bilin ko talaga sa kanya is parating manalangin. They will be done. Alam niya yun.